Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Ollama to VSCode. So firstly, open the extensions marketplace in VSCode by clicking on Ctrl+Shift+X. Search for Continue and then install the extension. Click on the new Continue icon that appears in your sidebar to open the chat panel. At the bottom of the Continue Chat panel, click Select Model. Choose Add Chat Model and under Provider, select Ollama. Under Model, select your preferred model and then press Connect. Now type a prompt into the chat box. If the model isn't downloaded yet, Continue will prompt you to add the install model. Click it and wait for the download to finish and your local Ollama AI is ready to go. And that's how you do it, as simple as that. Thank you for watching guys, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if it helped you out. Let me know in the comments below what should I do next, and I will see you on the next one.